So what's up everybody, welcome back to ID Aviation. Today we have a quite rare unboxing. This is a model that you seriously cannot find in a lot of places, and I mean really, it's extremely rare unless you want to pay a lot of money. But anyways, this is really rare model, rare unboxing. I found it for a really good price. This model, you'll see what it is right now. So yeah, if you are enjoying so far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell to know when I upload my next video. So anyways, let's begin. So here I am just unboxing the box. I'm really excited to open it. So let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so the time has come to open the model here. Oh man, the excitement is really building up. Lots of emotions right now, so let's not waste time. Let's open the box. And you're about to see it. We're about to see it. Let's just move this out of the way so that you can see it clearly here. Alright, so here she is. She's gonna be a real beauty. You're gonna see her right now. And she is, as you can see, can you guess what brand that is? That box might not be that peculiar to you, but you see the airline right there. And now you see her right here. As you can see there, Aero Classics. You can see there Baby Bus. So yeah, you can see there November 309 Foxtrot Romeo. You can see registration right there for this Frontier A320neo. Really excited to see it. As I've said, this was a really rare model that I found. So yeah, about to open it. The box is gotta say the box is quite peculiar. Not every brand has it. It looks kind of generic and unique at the same time, so that's something that I find quite interesting from Aero Classics. So anyways, let's open it. Oh my god, this is, and here she is. Oh my god, dude, this is, man, this model is amazing, really amazing. And look, the gear roll, I was actually thinking they were not gonna roll. I mean, they're exceptionally small, but that's why I thought they weren't gonna roll, but they do roll. That's something really surprising right there. So yeah, that's for that. But the model itself, it's amazing. Let's see it here from the lower angle so that you can see it better, the proportions and everything. So here we have the beauty right here, Frontier Airbus A320neo. Registration November 309 Foxtrot Romeo, and you can see there it says Weston the Woodpecker. I'm really not a professional in the names of the Frontier tails, same with the JetBlue tails, but anyways, that's the name of this fantastic tail right here. This is, so yeah, here first impressions are, you know, for some reason the model feels a bit, the texture feels a bit weird. Not of the material itself, but greasy, a little bit sweaty. But besides that, it's fantastic. And the camera doesn't really capture it. But you know, the color isn't really that dark, because here in the camera I can see that the color does look a little bit dark, but here in real life it looks kind of like that. You can see there with the sunlight. The colors don't look really that dark as people say, but yeah, the colors look pretty good. The mold looks pretty good. I'm absolutely surprised by the insane quality of this model, because I mean the gear could obviously look better, but it's still good. I mean, for its small size and that it still rolls is pretty good. A little bit tail heavy, but doesn't really matter that much. Here from the front, I mean from the top, and then here from the front, you can see it looks quite good right there. The engine's also a little bit to the bottom, but really not that bad. I mean, Gemini's is also quite bad in terms of the engines, and this one is really nothing to complain about. So now, this model, as you may know, is really rare. I think there's only like 3 or 4 of them currently like in the market for the normal price. So you ask me where did I buy this model, because it's really rare and I got it for only $45. I got it at the RM Model store. You can go check out his store here in the description below. I'll leave the link. Really nice guy. He has also a lot of really rare restocks for really good prices. So yeah, he's a really good store. Really recommend him. I've bought from him before. So yeah, anyways, the model, I'm absolutely surprised by it, especially the color. The camera, as I've said, doesn't capture it, but the color is quite nice. The mold is quite nice, everything. Really surprised with it. This is my first Frontier model. I really needed one for my airport, so expect to see it in the next airport update soon. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, this quick unboxing. Hopefully more to come. As I've said, if you enjoyed, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell here for the channel, and also make sure to comment below anything. So yeah, I hope all of you enjoyed. More videos to come soon, and yeah, ID Aviation signing out. Seeing you in the next video.